'Twas short the night we parted, too quickly came the day, when silent, broken-hearted, I went from you away. The dawn was brightening o'er Glenrue, I stole the stars away. The last fond look I caught of you, and your shawl of Galway grey. Oh, I've seen the silks and laces, and well they look and show beneath the pretty faces of gentle girls I know. But this a secret I'll confide, I'd leave them all today to meet you on a green hillside in your shawl of Galway grey. The well is sparkling as of yore, the sky still grey and blue. The dog outside your father's door keeps watch and ward for you. And all this picture now I see, but as so far away, is brightened by your grace so free, and your shawl of Galway grey.